Hello everyone, Namaste. I welcome you to my channel Durga Tarot, and this video I have made on the topic what's the current thoughts and feelings for you. So for pile number 1, I have pre-shuffled some cards for you. So let's see what are the cards. So see, here I have taken 2 oracle cards and 3 tarot cards. So let's see your oracle cards. Your first oracle card is surrender. I can release my need to control. And your second oracle card is raw intentions. And now we'll see your tarot cards. So your first tarot card is the star. The second tarot card is 10 of voices or the 10 of swords and 5 of cups. See, so it's clear from the cards. Here I can see that your person is in the surrender energy, and they think that you have surrendered to the divine about this connection, because now you have given all the control to the divine. Now you are not willing to do anything or put any efforts or work in the connection. You have completely left everything on the god, and they have raw intentions for you, because I can see here, sorry to say, it can be triggering for some of the people, but I can see that your person is not in mature energy. They have some raw intentions. That means their intentions, their thoughts and feelings are not refined yet, or their feelings are not stable, or this energy is something which cannot provide you stability. So I think you must be aware of the fact that please don't go for the breadcrumbs, or don't settle for the breadcrumbs. And I can see here, completely see here, that your person needs some healing and some space and time to transform these raw intentions into a very pure and loving intentions and divinely intentions. Okay, and they see you as their star. They see you that you are a pure star and a divine star, which is so pure and so balanced that you know how to equally give and take, and how to receive, and you are very receptive soul. You know how to give in a respectful manner, and you also know how to receive in a respectful manner. And I can see here these 10 of swords and 5 of cups represent here. I can see clearly that your person is in some regretful energy to whatever they have done to you in the past, or whatever the conflicts or misunderstandings or imbalanced energies that you both have experienced earlier in this connection. And whatever the past karmas they did to you, they are regretful of that, and they are now reminiscing the past, and they are focusing how they have lost these the cups that you have given to them, and they have just thrown them away, and now they are looking back to those cups, and they are now in a regretful energy that what they have lost, and whatever they did to you, what was so stupid of them. So they from these cards I can see that they see you as the star, and they see that you are in surrender energy, and they are in regretful energy, and they need some time, space and healing until to give you something healthy and stable. So I can see this from your cards. Now I shall move to the pile number 2. So hello pile number 2, welcome to your reading. And this reading, as you know, is all about your person's current thoughts and feelings for you. So I have pre-shuffled these cards for you. So I have taken out these 2 oracle cards and one tarot cards for you. Okay, So we'll see what's the current energy and current thoughts of your person. Okay, see, though the first oracle card is the discipline. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. And second oracle card is welcome the divine masculine. Okay, now we will see your tarot cards. The Queen of Wands, the Chariot, and the Five of Materials. OMG. So, pile number 2, your person see you in some major dominant energy in the current situation. Okay, so their thoughts and feelings for you, I can see, is something beyond emotions. Your person's thoughts and feelings are this, that they see you as a very disciplined person and very ambitious person. They see you in masculine energy. Your person see you that you are currently in very masculine energy. Either the viewers of the pile number 2 are mostly men, or if you are woman, so I think you all are currently in masculine energy, or your dominant energy is masculine, something around those lines. Okay, so I can see here that your person see you that you are very discipline oriented person, and you are up to something, to you are going to for after your dreams, and you are, your mind set is on your goals. You want to accomplish something, and you have made up your mind that you will, in any way, in any circumstances, you are going to accomplish your goal or your dreams. So they see you in very masculine energy. This is a clear cut message. And see here, the tarot, first tarot card you have is the Queen of Wands. As we know, the Queen of Wands is already the queen which is very passionate and very business oriented and very beautiful and very attractive and very sexy. And so they all, your person see you in this energy, that you are very focused currently and you are very passionate towards your goals. See here, now you can see the another tarot card is Five of Materials. Again, materials means pentacles, that you are after your money and after your stability. Your current focus is your stability, your money, and your home, your growth, something around those lines. And they see you that you are now waking up to the truth, that you have to go and do something and make something out of your life. See, here you can see that you were sleeping, but now your this hand is coming to wake her up, so that she can go after her dreams. And uh, 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 masculine energy is all about the actions. So your person sees you, and your person's current thoughts are that you are waking up to your actions and your duties to make yourself successful in your pentacles. Now the another tarot card is the Chariot energy. The Chariot, that means that currently they see you that you are in total control of your life, in your total control of your light side and your dark side, and you are so focused on your destiny and your journey and your goal, that you are quickly moving towards your goal, and you are not distracted by any of the petty things or anything. They see you even in this energy, that you are not even worried about your person. You are currently focused on your goals and your dreams, and they see you completely in a masculine energy. So pile number 2, for now, for this reading, I can see these cards are telling me this much only about you. So thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching my reading. And if you like the reading, please hit the like button. And now I am wrapping up your reading, and we'll move to pile number 3. Welcome, pile number 3. Welcome to your reading, and this reading is about the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you. Okay, so I have shuffled here 2 oracle cards and 3 tarot cards. So let us see your oracle cards first. So your first oracle card says regret. I know that I cannot change the past. Another oracle card is external validation. Now this is 2 of pentacles, 10 of materials, and the justice. Okay, so I don't read the reversals in my reading, so we'll look to your reading now. See, now the message is clear, pile number 3, that your person's current thoughts are regretful towards you and whatever they have done in the past, and they are in very regretful energy for whatever they have said, they have done, and whatever they haven't done in your connection. So they are regretful of their actions and their words and their thoughts, and whatever the conflicts and the chaos that you both have experienced in your connection. And also I can see here the external validation, and see external validation, and see what you can see here is this headphones here. Okay, so I can see that your person's thoughts towards you is that you are looking out for someone else, or you are influenced by some other people or external people. That means they think that your connection is influenced by someone else, and external factors are very affecting your connection a lot, and they are hindering your connection. Also, they see you in this. Now your tarot cards are 2 of pentacles, 10 of materials means 10 of pentacles, and justice. See, so here your cards completely show me the balance. Your person see you in a total balance energy. I can see your tarot cards are speaking loud and shouting loud this to me, that your person sees you in a very balanced energy. They think that you have balanced all the aspects of your life, and now you are heading towards this 10 of materials means the fulfillment, the happiness, your tribe, your community. They see you as in the abundance energy. They think that you are currently in the abundant energy, that you have got everything. You have got your family, you have got your friends, you have got your community, you have got your money together, you have got abundance, and you have got such a beauty and such greenery and abundance, and you are shining. They see that you are shining and blooming like these cute little flowers, roses, and they see you in this so delicate and pure energy. And see, we can both see, both the cards here represent the balance, na? And now the last card is justice, that they see you that divine is providing you justice. And since this justice card is below the external validation, so your person also sees you very a intuitive person and psychic person who has a direct connection to the divine. And the external validation which I was talking in the earlier is for your person, like this external validation is the divine itself. They see you a very high spiritual person, and they see that you are so connected with your divine universe, and you are so in tune with your spirit guides and your ancestors, that you, whatever you have done in your connection, and whatever the karmas and whatever steps and whatever decisions you have taken in your connection is purely divinely guided. So this external factor that is affecting or protecting your connection is divine itself, and divine is doing justice for you, and you are very in a peaceful energy. So these are the current thoughts and feelings from your person. First, the feeling was that they are regretful, and also their thoughts are that you are blooming, growing, shining, and happy and peaceful in your life. So thank you so much, pile number 3, for tuning in and for watching my reading. And if this reading resonated, so please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and I will return to you with a new pick a card reading. Thank you so much.